how to fix lag and stutter in Schedule 1. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix lag and stuttering issues in Schedule 1. Just make sure to follow along till the end so you don't miss any key steps. So first, open the Schedule 1 game. Once it's open, go to the Settings menu. From there, head towards the Graphics tab. Now, in most cases, the game will automatically set your graphics to the highest settings by default, which can seriously affect performance, especially if your system isn't top tier. Here's what I recommend. Start by turning off anti-aliasing. It's not really needed and eats up performance. Then go ahead and disable G rays and SAW as well. These visual effects may look good, but they also cause unnecessary lag. You can also try lowering the field of view just a bit. It might not seem like much, but reducing it slightly can make a difference in performance. Now for the most important part. Lower the overall graphics quality. Instead of running it on ultra, switch it to high or even medium. If you're really struggling with performance, set it to low. Just keep in mind that using the lowest settings can cause a few visual glitches like shadow issues, but it should help eliminate most of the lag and stutter you're experiencing in Schedule 1. And that's it. Try these changes and see how the game runs afterward. That should make a noticeable difference. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.